Your next car could be the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.